really enjoyed ourselves, and we continue to marvel at the diversity of our culture and traditions, and we really appreciate the Kenyan nation in its diversity. Your Excellency, as I watch the little young ones from DB Karatina and their innocence, I appreciated once more the enormous responsibility God and the people of Kenya has placed in your hands to work hard, transform our economy, fix our social challenges, to prepare the future for those young children. Your Excellency, I was a dramatist in my earlier years before you confused me into these difficult things of governing a country. And I confirm, because I was an adjudicator once, the standard of this festival is extremely high. And I really want to say the productions were apt, the costume and decor was superb, and the tonality and projection was beyond my expectation. Your Excellency, this was a very good festival until the chairman came here to speak. Things were going on very well for me and for many of us. And we were understanding everything until the chairman came here. But the kind of vocabularies he was using, I was lost. So as a very chairman, I know when the president is here, he's a PhD holder, you can talk anything, which is okay. But when some of us are around, please, punguza kisungu kidogo, so that we move together. And you have just outdid yourself. You know, you have made very many requests to the president. The president, he has many things, but he's also a very busy man. He's handling the economy, he's handling crime, he is in international forums. He needs somebody to remind him most of these requests. So when you use those kind of vocabularies and you lose me, who is going to remind the president of all the requests you have made? Sasa wewe umezama. Sasa hiyo mambo yako, labda unitafuta tukitoka hapa, uniandikie pahali, with very simple language, and no word should be beyond 6 letters, so that niweze kuelewa, ndio nimkumbushe rais, si ndio?